Hello, on the last TMS WEB Core for Visual Studio Code release, we have added a new functionality that will allow you to integrate external libraries and styles very easily. For example, we are going to place here a button here another button, okay? And in order to style this, what we can do is on our project manager, what we can do is to right click here, and then there is a new option called Manage JavaScript Libraries. If we issue that option, we're going to place this here on the side, so you can see the effects in real time. There is a series of libraries that you can integrate easily in your project, and in this case we are going to add Bootstrap 5.0.1. Okay, so now what we can do is to change the element class name for this button, btn primary, for example. Okay, this is going to be btn secondary. Okay, so as you can see, they are themed properly. We can remove, if we want, the library, and we can add a previous one. And these are the styles for btn and btn secondary on those libraries. And this is going to be this one, okay, or this one again. Okay, as you can see, it's very easy to add these libraries to your project, and what basically it does is to change the project HTML to include here and to place it here, so you can see all the libraries that you need in order to integrate those libraries without having you to copy and paste and to take that into account. You can add also any library you want. I'm going to place this on the content area. Any library, you can add a description, any code for that library. You can edit them, delete them. Okay, for example, this is for jQuery. We're going to edit them. Okay, this is the code that will be added if we want to add jQuery to our project. Okay, so I hope you like this functionality. It's very easy for you to add this kind of libraries using a visual interface. So thank you.